No tools are required to mount the trolley. Find the notch corresponding to the top of the trolley. Thread the tube and put it in the corresponding notches. Feed in and place the tube in the appropriate groove and screw the blocking nozzle. Then put on the clips to attach the tube. Then attach the wheels using the 2 large screws and the clips. Clip the block to the lowest hole. Insert the handle of the trolley. This will also serve as a support for the control box on the tube. And if you have a model with remote control, attach its support to the handle. Install the control box on the handle. Press firmly to click it into place. For optimum operation, make sure that the pool water meets the following criteria: pH between 6.8 and 7.6, chlorine below 3 mg per liter. The water temperature must be at least 15 degrees. Also, remove any object that could prevent the cleaner from moving around, such as toys or thermometer. Lay out the cable next to the pool, unrolling it completely. Immerse the cleaner vertically in the water. Move the cleaner around so that the air is released from the device. Wait for the cleaner to come to a stop at the bottom of the pool. Connect the cleaner cord to the control box. Then connect the box to the mains. You can now press the start button.